Troubleshooting ITV Hub download issues on your TV.
Hello, and welcome to our troubleshooting guide. Today, we'll be addressing a common issue when you're trying to download the ITV Hub on your TV and it's just not cooperating. But don't worry, we're here to help you solve this problem step by step.
Check your internet connection.
The first thing to do when you encounter this problem is to check your internet connection. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet and the connection is stable. Sometimes, connectivity issues can prevent the download of apps like ITV Hub.
Is your device compatible?
Not all devices are compatible with ITV Hub. If you are using a very old model of smart TV, it might not support the app. Check the compatibility of your device with ITV Hub. You can typically do this by searching your TV model online along with ITV Hub compatibility.
Update your TV's software.
If you haven't updated your TV's software in a while, this could be causing the problem. Navigate to the Settings menu on your TV, find the Update or Software option and make sure your TV is running on the latest software. This could solve the download issue.
Restart your TV.
Sometimes, a simple restart can fix many issues. Try turning off your TV, waiting for a few minutes, and then turning it back on. After restarting, attempt to download the ITV Hub app again.
Contacting support.
If none of the above steps work, it's time to get in touch with ITV Hub support. They should be able to provide more specific assistance based on your device and issue. You can also reach out to your TV manufacturer support service. We hope these steps have helped you solve your ITV Hub download issue. Remember, sometimes the solution can be as simple as a restart or an update. But when in doubt, never hesitate to reach out to the support team. Thanks for watching, and we hope you get back to enjoying your favorite shows soon.